Welcome to the Answers for Elders radio show. Meet the trusted experts who will give you straight answers and will help guide you on the path of later life care. Now, here's your host, founder, caregiver, and CEO, Suzanne Newman.
And welcome back, everyone, to Answers for Elders Radio Network. And we are here back again with Sean Joseph, who is the CEO and founder of Jordan River Moving and Storage. And Sean, welcome back to the show. It's important that we have these kind of conversations of what's going on in the world of moving and how seniors have been, taken advantage of. And I know Jordan River has been quite the opposite. You guys took care of me and my mama when I was taking care of her, and I was in the corporate world way back when. Was with Yellow Book USA, and here I was with a scenario of having to deal with the overwhelming situation of my mother, and I couldn't have been in better hands than my friend Sean. So I know I always say thank you, but it's important, the fact to know that all the things you talk about, we were lucky that didn't happen to us.
That's correct. You always need to know the right
I knew the right person.
The company, it's all can be prevented. Very simple. But let me explain people they need to understand process of the move, what they need to be expect, and how to create and complete simple move in a good way. It shouldn't be stressful. Seriously, everybody don't talk. Oh, it's so stressful. Movie stressful. I understand, but moving company can take so much stress away from you. Okay, make the right first move. Call for estimate. Gain trust with the person, the company you want to move. Second, discuss with the representative either on the phone or in person. What services would you like? We can do a full packing for you, so you don't need to worry about anything. Leave your house as is. We'll come and pack it for you.
Mm-hmm.
Bring our boxes, our smart tape, Sharpie to write the contents of the boxes and the location and everything like that. Or you want to do your own packing.
Mm-hmm.
Your own packing, we can supply you the boxes. Service that I think it's very important is we deliver boxes to you for free. I mean, we charge for the boxes, but bringing you boxes. Do not order boxes online. The boxes online are not good. They're not thick enough. They will cause damage to your item. I'm guarantee that. And they're not the right sizes, the proper sizes for a move.
Mm-hmm.
We have all type of boxes, specialty boxes, picture boxes, lamp boxes, and all the rest of the boxes.
Mm-hmm.
We can supply you the boxes. We will charge you by the day of the move. So don't need to stress about, oh, I ordered too many, maybe cost me. Whatever you use, we charge you for. We didn't use, we'll pick it up the day of the move, no charge. So don't worry about it. If we call us 2 times, 3 times, it doesn't matter for us. We'll bring you the boxes as you need, because we know you need to save money. So when you do the labor of the packing, you can supply the boxes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We would like you to prepare your house for us for the day of the move, which means we would like to come and find boxes and furniture. The boxes pack all the way to the top, sealed and marked with the location and furniture.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do first, we're going to load all the boxes to the truck. Then we're going to disassemble the furniture, wrap the furniture at the house. That's one of the difference between us and other moving company. There's 2 ways of handling the furniture. One is dropping, which means you take the furniture as is to the truck and drop a blanket on top of the furniture. Some company using shrink wrap, which I think is a joke. Shrink wrap does not protect anything, maybe dust. We're wrapping all the furniture at the customer house with heavy-duty moving blanket. So the furniture will look like candy. Right? So we disassemble the furniture, wrapping the furniture, protecting boxing mattress with heavy-duty mattress cover, loaded on a truck. You as a customer, make sure the mover will not leave your home before you fully inspect the house. Walk around, open every cupboard, every cabinet, every closet, everything. Make sure nothing left behind. Inside, outside. It's very important.
How often, I bet there's a lot of common that you think you have some everything and then you find out you didn't get everything. I mean, I bet that's fairly common.
It's it's frustrating, especially. And every time I hear something like that, the customer say, "Oh, we forgot this. We didn't open the closet." Drive me nuts because I instructed our crew open everything with the customer. Do not leave. Do not.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're all rushing and right, especially when we're walking on hourly rate. So the customer is like, it's not worth it. It's really 5 minutes. Don't rush out of the house with the crew to save
Mhm.
20, $30
Yeah.
and you left stuff behind.
Mhm.
Time, it's 5 minutes, do the walkthrough. Because when
Yeah.
you destination, what we're gonna do, we're gonna unload all your furniture first. Make sure you know where you want the furniture,
Yeah.
please, because moving them around will take time for no reason.
True.
And we're gonna place the furniture, reassemble the furniture, everything we took apart, set up the house. You walk around, we'll show you everything's okay. Can we bring the boxes now? Yes, everything's fine. The bed in places, the couch in place, the kitchen table, dining table.
Mhm.
Now we're gonna bring the boxes in, place them exactly where they need to go in each room, based on the customer direction. Hopefully the customer did a good packing and a mark on the
Right.
boxes. Bedroom, living room, dining room. We'll place them where they are. Or if
Mhm.
it's easier on a smart tape, different color coded. Let's say kitchen yellow, orange, dining room, so on.
Absolutely.
And then after we're done, we ask the customer to inspect the truck. Customer, go inspect the truck. Even if it's a rainy day in Seattle, go out,
Yep.
look at the truck, make sure you inspect the truck. We got few comments recently from customer that said, wow, it's the first time your crew insisted we check the truck and we appreciate it. They want to make sure nothing left behind.
Yeah.
This is the proper way to do it. It's on our paperwork too, that you need to initial. I did a walkthrough and I inspected the truck. Don't
Yeah.
do that. Actually do it. We don't want to take anything of your item back to our warehouse by mistake, or it's between the blanket or something. Go
Mhm.
inspect the truck. We're not getting offended if you check the cab too. Cab front, everywhere. It's your right. It's not,
True.
it's perfectly fine with us. To the contrary, then we know we didn't take anything. Nobody take anything. No, no, it shouldn't be any. It's a trust. We trust our movers.
Right.
We don't care. We know that the people, have the right and should inspect all the time.
Mhm.
Uh, and then that's pretty much the move done. Do your unpacking. When you do the unpacking, if you use our boxes that we supply to you, we'll gladly come and pick up the boxes. If we did the packing for you, but you didn't order unpacking, same way. You finish the unpacking, call us. We'll come and pick up all the boxes from you. It's perfect.
Wow.
No charge. We don't want you to get stuck with all these big boxes and figure out how do trip to the recycle.
Mhm.
We're gonna take all those boxes from you. That's perfect.
Amazing. That's awesome. And it helps to save the planet because obviously you can reuse those
Yeah,
boxes as well.
absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
I want
Yeah.
to talk a few things about this is pretty much the procedure on a local move, but also we're doing long distance. So for the long distance, same, pretty much almost the same way,
Mm-hmm.
going out of state.
Mm-hmm.
I wish more customer will take the time to go and observe the weight of the truck, empty and full. I mean, you can trust us 100%. We also going to provide you, if you have any suspicious, anything, we're going to provide you reweigh at destination with you present if you want to. No,
Sure.
no, 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 free. We don't charge for it. It's a service because we trust our system, we trust our weight, the scale and everything. But it's important to know. And when you're working with other companies, not all of them have the same quality or an
Mhm.
integrity. You need to
Right.
um, on a long distance. since it's going out of state. Inspect the house. Few time. The movers are not on a clock. You not on a clock. Okay? You're not paying by the hourly rate. Check your house. Check your house. I mean, we just did a move for a friend of mine to Florida, all the way to Florida. He
Mm-hmm.
was present. He left people behind to do it. And really, they check everything. But what they forgot is the wine in a wine
Oh
fridge.
my gosh. And that's like probably a ton of wine. Did he have a wine cellar?
It's in a wine fridge. It was in a fridge.
Oh my gosh. No.
I don't know, I think it was his kids or his the realtor or someone. They simply forgot. We got to the destination and he said, everything arrived, everything's good. I'm very happy. But my wine is in the fridge. They forgot the wine.
Ah,
Thankfully, we go to Florida all the time. So, and he's a good friend of mine, and I know him for
yeah.
many years on that. Bunch of people that work for Microsoft, they're all from the Netherlands, and they use it.
Yeah.
We ship the wine for him on the next truck, so we
Mhm.
already got it. But that's what I'm saying. Check, check, check. Take your
Yeah.
stuff
Yeah.
out of state. It's not every time we'll be able to go to every location soon enough to deliver a missing item for you. So
True. True. And to think about just being thorough, I'm sure when you come and do the inspection, those are the kind of conversations that you have up front. So you're pretty much, if you have somebody there in person, you're going to get that coaching of things not to forget.
no, absolutely. We have a lot of information we're bringing in at the day of the escort.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take
Yeah.
time and read all this information. So we have like today we're doing a move in Snohomish, senior people moving to Arizona. I told you the story that the outside
Yeah.
sales person out and show him our podcast because the daughter got scammed big time. So there
It's
were
a horrible story. I wish you'd share that story.
so anyway, we're doing the job for them and they have a lot of crystal and this they're all noted big.
Yeah.
I follow up with the crew yesterday. So we got the instruction from dispatch. We know, don't worry, everything's good here. But
Mhm.
to follow up even with the crew.
Yeah, yeah. And also just remember too that there's all kinds of things that you can call or reach out to Jordan River Moving if you have a question. And in the meantime, Sean, you and I are going to be back a little bit after this, and we're going to talk about how Jordan River started, the mission, and why they are who they are, which is amazing in our industry and with seniors right after this. We at Answers for Elders thank you for listening. Did you know that you can discover hundreds of podcasts in our library on senior care? So visit our website and discover our decision guides that will help you also navigate decision making. Find us at answersforelders.com.